In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import text and Markdown into Notion. If you've got notes, documentation, or outlines sitting in plain text or Markdown files, bringing them into Notion is quick and preserves most of your formatting, so you can start working right away. First, open the Notion page where you want your content to live. This can be any page in your workspace. Maybe a project hub, a notes database, or a personal wiki. Navigate to the exact spot so that your imported content lands in the right context. If you like keeping things tidy, open the specific page or subpage where the new file should appear. Next, look to the left side of the screen. In the sidebar, open Settings to access Workspace options. This gives you a central place to manage your workspace and tools, including the import feature we need. Now, click Import. And from the list of sources, choose Text and Markdown. This option is designed for TXT and MD files and keeps common Markdown elements, like headings, bold and italic text, lists, and code blocks. If you are preparing files ahead of time, saving them as UTF-8 encoded, TXT or MD can help prevent any strange characters from appearing. When the Text and Markdown import window opens, upload your file. Use the file picker to browse your computer. Select your TXT or MD file and confirm. If you are not sure which file to pick, remember that Markdown files usually end with MD and are great for structured notes with headings and lists. Plain text files end with TXT and work perfectly for simple content. Finally, Notion will import the file. You'll see a new page appear with your content laid out. Headings become Notion headings, lists convert to Notion lists, and code fences are placed in code blocks. Take a moment to scan the page and make small adjustments if needed. Rename the page. Move it into the right folder or add an icon or cover for clarity. If your file was large, you might see a brief progress indicator while Notion processes everything. That's normal. A quick tip as you wrap up. If something doesn't look quite right, it's often formatting related in the original file. Minor tweaks to Markdown syntax, like ensuring a space after hash symbols for headings, can make future imports even cleaner. Also, plain text files don't include images, so plan to add those directly in Notion afterwards if you need them. And that's it. You've successfully imported text and Markdown into Notion. Thanks for watching.